I am so lucky. I literally ordered it like a few days before they ended the first one. I also ordered the second one, which I'm sure I will also have to wait to get. Oh my gosh, she's ripped. Wow, it says my full name on there. Beautiful. Global official fan club and Jean membership. In the back. It feels very papery. Definitely paper. This bitch is already ripping. So I can either pull it out from either side. There's is this a poster? Oh gosh. It is a poster? How cute! Look at them. It's one huge poster. How cute is that? Oh, is that what it is? A note, photo card, stamp, paper, magnet. Let's look at the note first. Why does it feel like I opened it upside down? What kind of note is this? Like, who is gonna... I think it would just be really pretty just to, like, have this just standing on your table, though. Paper magnet. Paper magnet. It's a magnet. Great. I was actually looking for magnets. I'm gonna go put this on my refrigerator. It's like the stamp. An Enhypen stamp. I wonder if it still has ink. Girl, she doesn't work. It's just the center. Now they're just Enhypen. Oh my god, these are huge. They're gonna be regular size photo cards. Wow, how cute. He looks so young. They all look really young. Oh my gosh, they really look really young. Baby, so cute. I thought these would be a lot smaller. Oh my god, a whole child. Look at this child. So cute. I don't think I've seen every single thing. So I'm glad I have this. A whole magazine. Episode 1, group activity. Episode 2, exercise. Episode 3, rest. Group activity. Hopefully you can see everything. How cute! Honestly, Jungwon owns this color blue. Like, how cute. Like little Boy Scouts. So cute. Wow. They're so cute. Please. Oh my god, oh my gosh. His smile is so bright. J. Oh my god. Mr. Australia. He's so soft. Please. Not the little overall thing. Nikki. So baby. Look at this Polaroid. Polaroid love. Oh my gosh. They really love Polaroids. Exercise. They're so adorable. What is that? They're so cute. This feels like a Gap magazine, like, or an Old Navy magazine. My goodness, blue is Jungwon's color. Wow. So cute. Look at this. Macadamia line. Look, it's so cute. Please rest. Now we're going into IKEA. Oh my god, this really IKEA vibes right now. Please. They're so cute. Oh. Wow, this picture. So pretty. He really looks like a golden retriever. Please. His hair looks so gray. It's the lighting. It looks cool though. The sunshine. It's a baby. Jake, please. They're so cute. So cute. Sunshine. Twins. That's it. How cute. Yeah, how am I supposed to fit those photo cards in my photo card binder?